So, welcome back to this e-learning module. I hope you had fun doing the first assignment. And let's go back to what we were discussing about the essence of entrepreneurship. The idea, the problem, the solution, the opportunity, and the company creation. So, what we discussed about is that the goal is to solve a problem, not to implement a specific or particular solution. You may choose whichever way you want to solve this problem. So, this means that you will have to search for ideas. And what is better to train in searching for ideas than brainstorming or trying your creativity? So, let's see what creativity is all about, which is something quite important for entrepreneurs. This is a skill, as we were discussing about. And creativity is the ability to imagine or invent something new. Are there some traits in creativity? Yes, there are, actually. If you would like to train this skill, you could find ways of identifying ideas or brainstorming through 5 different techniques. The first technique is evolution. It comes down to this: every problem that has been solved can be solved again in a better way. So this is about evolving the current solution to a problem. This is the method actually of raised improvement. Think about razors, Gillette razors, and how they have developed over the years from a 1-blade razor to a 5-blade razor, which solves shaving in a better way, in a better fashion. This is the way of evolution. The second creative method is synthesis. Synthesis is all about mixing different concepts together and joining the dots. With this method, 2 or more existing ideas can be combined into a new, third idea that solves a problem. Think about the iPod and the telephone, which gave birth to the iPhone. This is a very specific synthesis method solution. The third creative method is revolution. It comes down to this: every problem that has been solved can be solved again in a better way. This is how to come up with ideas and solve problems in a completely different way than you had before. Sometimes the best new idea is something radically different than the previous ideas. So, for instance, let's take learning as a problem, or e-learning. Instead of thinking, how can I make my online lectures better, a revolutionary idea would be to stop lecturing and have the students teach each other working on Teams or with presentation. This is what gave birth to Peerwise or other new generation of e-learning activities. The fourth creative way and method is reapplication. What it means is doing something in a new way. Go beyond labels and fixate. Remove the prejudices, remove the expectations and assumptions, and discover something that can be reapplied in a new way. The key is to go beyond the previous applications and find some new way to solve and find a new way for this idea. So, a paperclip can be used as a tiny screwdriver if it is filed down. So this is a way to reapply the usage of the paperclip, and you can use it as a screwdriver. You can use, for instance, a dishwashing detergent to remove DNA from bacteria in a lab. This is a way to reapply the dishwashing detergent. And the fifth creative method is changing direction. Look at something old in a new way. Shift the angle. A classic example is the one of the highway department, which was trying in the US to keep kids away from skateboarding in a concrete-lined drainage ditch. The highway department had put up a fence to keep the kids out, but this didn't work. Then they put a threatening sign on it. This didn't work out either. What they tried was to solve this problem in a different way. So, what they did is to remove the desire of skateboarding in this place by pouring some concrete, some cement on the bottom of the skateboarding ditch in order to remove the smooth curve. So, the kids could not skateboard anymore, and the problem was solved through a different angle, through a different perspective. These are all 5 methods related to unleashing your creativity. Now, please proceed with the e-learning in Moodle platform and find some further online YouTube videos related to creativity. Thank you.